Hi, happy creators! It's Joy here. Are you ready to feel the rhythm today? Since the movie Michael is finally out, I've been listening to his songs all day. So today, we are going to draw a true legend, the king of pop, Michael Jackson. Let's get started. First, let's draw his eyes.
Lay your paper down so white. Watch your colors catch the light. It doesn't matter where you start, just listen to your happy heart. Welcome to the Happy Art Studio, a place where every color's free to grow. Side by sides turn the world around and every line a new
This is the most important part. Don't forget to leave those tiny white spots for the sparkles. It really makes Michael's eyes look bright and full of life.
A circle here, a line or two. The magic's waiting just for you. Take a breath, feel the flow. Watch how far your mind can go. It's not about what's right or wrong. It's where your curious heart belongs.
Next, a cute little nose and a gentle mouth. Now, let's sketch the shape of his face.
Everyone is welcome, join the family. At Happy Art, it's just you and me. It's just you and me.
Now, let's add his iconic fedora. Before we use the bold lines, let's draw some light pencil guidelines first. This helps us get the perfect angle. Now, follow the guide to finish the hat. We'll draw one hand stylishly holding the brim. Isn't that pose just so cool? Moving on to the neck, his crisp white shirt, and that famous black jacket. It's a spangled jacket that shimmers under the stage lights. Every time I draw this, I can almost see him dancing to the beat. Now for the legs. We can't forget his signature white socks. They were the secret to making his dance moves stand out. Let's add his classic black shoes too. Now, let's finish up the rest of the jacket. Let's draw his left hand. Look! He's wearing his famous single glove on this hand. And next, his beautiful flowing black hair. Time for the final touches. Let's add some sharp lines to his pants. And hang a stylish chain from his waist. What do you think? He looks absolutely stunning. Watching the movie Michael really brought back so many amazing memories, and I had such a wonderful time drawing him today. If you enjoyed this tribute to the King of Pop, please hit that subscribe button and give me a big like. I can't wait to see your drawings. Keep creating and stay happy. Bye-bye!